Namaskar. Welcome to Vastu Sampada, where we explore the powerful principles of Vastu Shastra to bring balance, harmony, and abundance into our lives. I am Sampada Vatve, your Vastu consultant, and today we will be talking about how Vastu can help you attract wealth and prosperity into your home and office. According to Vastu Shastra, different directions of your home or workplace are associated with different energies. To attract wealth and financial stability, the north direction is the most important. North is governed by the planet Mercury, which represents business, wealth, and opportunities. In addition, the northeast and southeast corners also play vital roles in ensuring financial flow and prosperity. So, let's talk about the north direction in more detail. This area is linked to Lord Kuber, the god of wealth in Hindu tradition. Keeping the north clean, clutter-free, and well-lit can boost positive financial energies. Here's what you can do to enhance the north side of your home or office for prosperity. Place a mirror or water element like an aquarium or fountain in the north to stimulate financial growth. Keep the north-facing area free of heavy objects or clutter to allow the free flow of energy. Paint the north wall in lighter shades, especially light green or light blue, to invite abundance. Now, let's move to the southeast corner, which is ruled by the fire element and is associated with wealth and energy flow. This direction is ideal for placing items related to finances, such as the kitchen stove, symbolizing financial growth, financial records or a locker, where you store important documents or money. Ensure the locker opens towards the north, to attract more wealth. For the northeast, which is the zone of water, this area should always be kept neat and clutter-free. Avoid placing heavy objects here as they can block positive energy. If possible, place a small water feature, like a bowl of water with fresh flowers or a small fountain, in the northeast. Flowing water represents the flow of money. Here are some simple do's and don'ts that can enhance the financial energy in your space. Keep the main entrance free of obstacles. A clean and open entrance invites wealth. Hang a picture of flowing water or a waterfall on the north wall. Use gold, red, and purple colors in your office or wallet to stimulate wealth energy. Avoid keeping brooms, shoes, or dustbins near the main door. Never place mirrors facing your bed, this can reflect negative energy and affect financial health. Avoid keeping broken clocks or items in your home, as they represent stagnation. If you're working from home or have an office space, here's how you can use Vastu to boost productivity and financial success. Position your desk so you are facing north or east while working. This enhances focus and attracts opportunities. Keep the southeast corner of your office space well lit to keep financial energies active. Place a money plant or jade plant on your desk to symbolize financial growth. Host explaining with on-screen examples. These small but powerful changes can bring a noticeable difference in your financial stability. Finally, if you're experiencing financial blockages or losses, Vastu can help with some remedies. For example, if you feel money is slipping away, you can place a Vastu Devata Yantaraya in the southwest to attract prosperity and protect against financial instability. I hope you found these Vastu tips for wealth and prosperity helpful. Remember, Vastu is not just about the physical arrangement of things, but also about creating a positive mindset to welcome abundance into your life. Small adjustments in your environment can lead to big shifts in energy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out for a personalized Vastu consultation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vastu Sampada for more such tips and insights on bringing harmony and success into your life.